Alright, the old build didn't work so well, so I just took the new case, put all my new stuff in there and try and make it look nice and neat. I still have to do something with cable management because it's not very deep, so I just have to force most of it in there. Hopefully it works. Alright, see you guys soon. Bye. Okay, this is what it looks like with the side panel with the window. Okay, we're going to turn on and see how it looks. Here's what it looks like when the lights are turned on, the PC's turned on inside. The finished product is awesome. 1 terabyte of solid state drive by adding those two back there. You can't really see them, it's dark. And the other one down yonder in the corner. And the main boot drive's off the motherboard itself from the SATA Express. It's got generation 2, so it runs quite fast. There she is. Behold the glory of the gaming PC. Alright, that'll be it. Y'all have a good one. Bye!